Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we are making some stuffed French toast. I am super excited to make this one, guys. For this French toast, we are using our challah bread that we made in our last video. If you didn't catch that, I'll put a link up here for you. The challah bread is going to be excellent for this. We are going to stuff it with some mascarpone cheese mixed with our Raspberry Dark Balsamic, which is the only product you will need from our store. This Raspberry Balsamic, it's so rich and full of flavor. It's definitely a popular one for dark balsamics. First of all, we are going to make a sauce with it, so let's get to that part. Now remember guys, for the amounts and ingredients, please go to our website for the full recipe. For this sauce, you want to start with the raspberry balsamic. After that, you want to grab some maple syrup. You'll also need some lemon juice. Once you have all those, you want to whisk until they're nice and combined. We can let that sit off to the side. Now this is mascarpone cheese. No, it's not ice cream. For this, we are going to make it so we can get it nice and smooth to put between our pieces of challah bread for the French toast. So to this, we are adding more of our raspberry balsamic. Also, a side note, now that we're almost getting into summer weather, it's getting nice out there, you can also drizzle white or dark balsamic over your ice cream. Try it, you won't have ice cream the same ever again. Also, along with this, we are adding some maple syrup. And then once you have all that in there, you want to just take a small spatula and just try to really get everything mixed together as best as possible. So as you can see, the raspberry balsamic looks like it's fully incorporated for the most part. Kind of looks like a Frosty from Wendy's, but this is going to go between our slices of challah bread. So for this part, you want to be careful because if you're using something like brioche or challah, this is a softer bread. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a dollop and we're just going to spread this on right here. Try not to get too close to the edges like I just did. And that's about what you want. You don't want to go too high. Once you've got this, just take the other side. Find a matching piece and close that up. So we're gonna put that off to the side and repeat for the next few. All right, now for the batter dredge, we have some eggs again from Old 99 Farm and Nick's Picks Organics. So we've already beaten some. Let's pour that into our station. Once you have that, you want to add some milk. You can either use real milk or a dairy substitute. Also going to throw in some vanilla. You'll need some maple syrup. Just a bit of salt. And you want a generous shake of cinnamon. Once that's all together, you want to take your fork. Also, you want to get a pan heated and ready. You can either use real butter or if you have it on hand, our butter olive oil. We're going to move this over closer to our stove. All right, so you want to take your French toast. You just want to let this soak in your mixture for about 30 seconds aside, roughly. Once this is nice and soaked on both sides, then you throw it in your pan and keep an eye on it while you're cooking it. That should be pretty good. Let's turn it over. Some of that nice cinnamon color on there. Once that's good to go, let's take this, shake off any excess. Oh, got a little bit coming off there. That's okay. It's not too much. Just pop it right on one side of your pan and repeat until you get all these nice and cooked. So you want to let these cook for about 3 to 4 minutes aside. Once that's done, we're also going to move over to our sauce. So we've got our pan here on medium heat. We're just going to add that sauce that we made earlier to this, and we're just going to reduce it a bit into a glaze. So we'll be keeping an eye on this and keep stirring it until it reduces by half. So as you can see, we're getting some nice color on these guys right about now. I'm just going to flip this one over. Oh, gorgeous. The smell of the cinnamon just coming right through. Also, our glaze is coming along nicely. This is pretty much done. We're going to let this sit just on, we turn the heat off so it's still going to be nice and warm. And we're going to just keep on going. Oh, this looks fantastic. It smells amazing. That raspberry sauce really just gives it a nice shine to it. Let's get a bite here. I am very excited to try this. Make sure we get some of that mascarpone in our bite. Get one of our cherries here. That sauce makes it. Inside too, with the raspberry balsamic and the mascarpone cheese, that is divine. You guys are gonna love this. You can have this for breakfast or have breakfast for supper. Do whatever you want. This is amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys next time. Also, if you did like this video, please like and subscribe. Hey guys, it's... We're gonna make our sauce now.